Xiaomi didn't make smarter glasses, did they? Exposed how inefficient smart glasses have been this whole time.
Xiaomi just made a move that most tech companies were too scared to try. And if smart glasses are even remotely on your radar for 2025, this is one of those moments you don't want to miss. While the internet has been busy hyping Ray-Ban Mitas and other overpriced wearables, Xiaomi quietly stepped in and asked a dangerous question. What if smart glasses actually worked for normal people, not just early adopters? What came out of that question is something that doesn't just compete on price, but quietly exposes how bloated and inefficient the entire smart glasses market has become. Most people still don't realize these glasses even exist, which means if you're watching this right now, you're already ahead of the curve. Here's the real problem with smart glasses up until now. They've been designed like tech demos, not daily tools. Too heavy to wear all day. Batteries that die when you finally need them. AI features that sound impressive on stage but feel useless in real life. Xiaomi didn't try to reinvent the category with flashy promises. Instead, they fixed the exact pain points people stopped complaining about because they assumed nothing would change. And that's why this launch matters more than it looks on the surface. If you're into smart tech that actually fits into real life, you might want to stick around. And yeah, if you like breakdowns like this, you already know what to do with the subscribe button. Let's start with the moment Xiaomi basically challenged the entire industry without saying it out loud. When these glasses were unveiled, the focus wasn't on gimmicks, it was execution, lighter frames, smarter power management. An AI that doesn't pretend the glasses themselves are a supercomputer. Instead of cramming everything into the frame and calling it innovation, Xiaomi leaned on something far more practical. Your phone. That decision alone solves two major problems at once: heat and battery life. The result is glasses that feel like glasses first and tech second. The camera setup is where this approach really shows its intelligence. You're getting a 12-megapixel camera capable of shooting 2K video, but the real trick is the 4:3 format. One recording can be turned into horizontal YouTube footage or vertical TikTok and Instagram clips without reshooting anything. That's not just convenience, that's understanding how content is actually created in 2025. Stabilization is solid for walking and everyday movement, and while fast head turns can still push the limits, that's a physical limitation, not poor engineering. The best part is how invisible the process feels. Tap for a photo, hold for video. No phone, no delay, no missed moments. When your hands are busy, these glasses quietly become your camera. Now, let's talk about AI because this is where expectations usually collapse. Xiaomi didn't chase flashy on-device intelligence. Instead, these glasses act as a hands-free gateway to your phone's AI power. Through HyperOS and external services like ChatGPT, you can talk to AI naturally while walking, cooking, or commuting. 5 microphones handle voice input, dual drivers handle output, and the interaction feels surprisingly fluid. Translation exists, but it's not perfect. There is lag and mixed accuracy, yet for basic use it works. Visual recognition is the standout feature. Look at something, ask what it is, and the glasses capture, analyze, and describe it. For visually impaired users alone, this isn't a gimmick, it's meaningful progress. Comfort is where Xiaomi quietly wins the long game. At around 40 grams, these are light enough to forget you're wearing them. Even with prescription lenses, they stay comfortable for full-day use. The frame design avoids pressure points, especially around the nose bridge, something most people don't notice until it's done wrong. The semi-transparent design gives them a modern, tech-forward look without screaming, wearable computer. They look like glasses because they were designed to be worn, not showcased. Audio is another area where real-world thinking beats marketing. Open-ear speakers let you hear music, calls, and AI responses without blocking the outside world. You stay aware of traffic, conversations, and your environment, which is exactly how smart glasses should behave. Some users even prefer this over traditional earbuds because it removes that isolated feeling, especially in cities. Battery life lands exactly where it should. Around 8 hours of mixed use, which covers a normal day. But the smart part is the charging design. You can charge them while wearing them. A small power bank in your pocket turns battery anxiety into a non-issue. Continuous video recording runs about 40 to 45 minutes, which is realistic for this form factor. Add in the electrochromic lens option, and suddenly these glasses switch from clear to sunglasses instantly, adding genuine everyday value instead of novelty. Now let's be honest, because no device gets a free pass. AI support is strongest in Chinese, with English still inconsistent. Translation lag exists. There's no built-in display or AR overlay. Visual recognition is impressive, but not something you'll use every hour. This is first-generation hardware paired with evolving software. Updates will improve things, but you're buying into a platform, not a finished ecosystem. If you're still here though, you probably appreciate honesty, and yeah, subscribing helps more than you think. Pricing is where everything clicks into place. Around $280 for the standard version puts these glasses in a category where compromises are expected, yet Xiaomi delivers where it actually matters. The higher-end electrochromic version costs more, but still undercuts premium competitors that offer less practical value. And that leads to the real question, who are these glasses for? If you want smart glasses that feel wearable first, useful second, and futuristic without being fragile or ridiculous, these make sense. If you're chasing full AR overlays, flawless AI, or luxury branding, you might want to look elsewhere. Xiaomi didn't build a fantasy product. They built something grounded, efficient, and quietly disruptive. And sometimes that's exactly how real tech progress looks. If you want to see which other smart glasses are actually worth buying right now, you know where to click next.